Alright everybody, welcome. This is going to be the second part on my series where I'm going to basically guide you on how you can set up complete cPanel server. This is going to be the process is going to be same on the cPanel VPS VDS or a dedicated server. Okay, and yeah, let's get started. Now before getting started, I always will revise this section. If you're looking for a reliable license provider, you may check our plans at or strip the license bundle or the only single license. If you want to purchase, you can also purchase those. Let's suppose you want to go for the bundle, you can save almost $20 on this bundle as compared to each single license. Okay, you can just see here cPanel, Fleet SSL, CloudLinux, Lightspeed, Codex, which nobody offer in this price for even Lightspeed. Okay, then Immunifier, Site Builder, Software Plus, Jet Backup, WHM Reseller. It comes with unlimited account. You can create as much accounts you want, as this is shared license, not the official one. And then it works on cPanel, basically a VPS, VDS or dedicated server. So there will be no limit like the other providers says. Okay, so this is going to be the complete server on where. So this is going to be our cPanel license bundles. Furthermore, if you need our help in server management services or server installation services, you can surely check these services at here. And I'm just going to tell you, if you are not, if these prices are more than your budget, you just need to contact us from using this button right up below, the WhatsApp button, or you can just contact us from here. Okay, because I know a few people may not be able to manage this budget. Based on their usage, we will provide them the good budget. Okay, coming to the part, if you're looking for a reliable provider which basically can offer you managed servers or basically reseller hosting, you can surely visit us at hoist.com. At Hoist, we offer you dedicated cPanel managed server, so you'll not have to pay extra for anything like this server. It comes with 4 CPU core, 8 GB of RAM, 75 GB of NVMe SSD. And this cPanel comes with complete manage everything, and within the license, if you click on this view details, you can just see here on the server, and we will provide you this option: complete server setup, complete server management, complete server security, firewall setup, DDoS protection, VPS uptime, VDS uptime, network, and everything. Okay, furthermore, I told in my last video, I'm telling this again, I'm going to soon edit this pad, and I'm going to add here the 11 more location that we are going to provide you. License, I've already told you, the same bundle here, we will just add this bundle here. Okay, then coming to the part, we will provide you weekly server optimization, server security enhancement, full server management, and on every Saturday, if the days change, I don't know if the date changes in future, if the day doesn't change, on every Saturday we will provide you a custom report via the email. There we will give you the every details regarding your server. So I'm not sure if somebody is going to provide you this level of service for this $19 this VPS. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. And also, if you're looking for a reliable reseller hosting provider, you can surely visit us at Hoist. Now coming to the part, I've already purchased a license and I'm going to install CloudLinux. This is going to be the CloudLinux, and click on this here in this CloudLinux. You'll be able to see this command, but you are not supposed to run this command directly because this will ruin the file for CloudLinux. Okay, make sure to not run this command. Go to the cPanel official documentation and find this here. You can just, I'll provide this link in the description, or you can just Google here. I'll just show you cPanel install doc cPanel. You can just see the documentation, then open the documentation, first documentation from cPanel.net. Scroll a bit down, and here you're going to find out this basically repo link. Okay, so how you're going to install, I've already told everybody that I use Windows PowerShell, so I'll just search it from here. You can use PuTTY as well, but I don't prefer that. Okay, alright, we are logged in right now, and this was a server we installed in the last video. Okay, I'm shooting this the other day, so yeah, it's on the same state right now. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to set up the CloudLinux. You can just copy this command at once. Make sure to not add this one right here, and just copy this command right here. What the hell? I'll copy this here, paste this here, and this will install the whole server for us. If you face any issue, solve it on your end. I'm not going to help you. Just kidding. If you face any issue, just I told you, I provide you my personal details in the comment section or in my bio. You can contact me from those resources, and I will try to help you as much as I can for free. Basically, not going to be paid depending upon the issues. Okay. Now this will take at least, according to my experience, 40 to 50 minutes to just install the CloudLinux. So yeah, just go outside and get yourself a cup of coffee, or I'll just hit the gym. Okay, thank you so much. I'll get back to you guys once it's done. Okay. All right, everybody, the CloudLinux was installed properly. I just wanted to show you what I just forgot to show you. Okay, those are the most important parts. So yeah, let me just show you. Once we run this command, it will take just 4 to 5 minutes, and then it will just show you this command. I'll just go up. I'll just go up furthermore. Okay. Here you can see, here we run this command, and if you just scroll a bit down, it's going to take some time because I'm teaching you right now. So I don't want that you face an issue. Okay. Here you can see this command. Once you reach at this level, registering as CloudLinux here, it will just say that CloudLinux license was not found. You can just see here, and then it will come to this point here. Here, what you have to do, come to our licensing system back. Just log in into your Hostrave account. You're just going to find out this CloudLinux with your product CloudLinux. You're going to find out this license. Okay, command. Okay, you just need to copy this command, or you can just go to the official documentation. Click on this button. Scroll a bit down, and here you're going to find out CloudLinux installation. This is the same command here. If I just show you, okay, you just need to basically you just need to paste the same command here. Okay, once you're done doing this, scroll up. Let me just show you this. Here you can see. Now here you're going to see this error here. Okay, to install CloudLinux, run this command. This is just going to say the installation was failed. So basically you have to fix this by running this command. And why this basically failed was because the first time we run this, before running this command, our server was not officially licensed. If you're going to use the official license, the documentation and installation is going to be completely different. Okay, we have done a lot of official license installation, so if you need any help, you can just contact us. Okay, then once you see this error, you just need to run this one error here. Okay, ndcln install. Okay, now while this basically happen, I've already told you we don't have any official license, so because of that this may happen. Okay, once you're done running that command, you just go to, here you can see I've run this command. I basically run this command. Okay, here you can see I basically run this command. I just entered this command, and then after that it just said license is active. Okay, license is basically going to expire on this date. So yes, then it will ask you, would you like to install CloudLinux? And you have to type here YES, basically yes. Okay, make sure to type here. You can just go with like yes, or the first letter as, oh sorry, I just enabled the cap lock. You can, damn it, you can just go with this one. Okay, sorry for all of these issues. Okay, you can just go with this one as well. Okay, this is how you can install, and after that this will take a lot of time. You can just see the command that basically run here. And yeah, that is all. The license and the CloudLinux is installed. After this, you have to reboot the server. Okay, now you have to wait some time. Okay, now let me just tell you a few things that you are going to 100% face. In this server, those were supposed to be there, but if they were not there, because there's some changes in this server, because of that those issues doesn't came up. Okay, so the first issue you're going to face while installing cPanel, I've already told force EAF4 error. Then second, you're going to face a cPanel with the network error, and then you're going to face a double installation issue as well, and then you're going to also face networking. There is a network error that server is not connecting with cPanel, or there will be another error that once you reboot the server, it will not come up unless you don't, just run the command from the SSH. If you face any of these errors or any errors, okay, you just need to contact us from the link in the description. Okay, now if you CloudLinux, you will face a few errors. First of all, you're going to face the CloudLinux display not be installed. Okay, if you're planning to run CloudLinux on a production server, let's suppose you started with only cPanel, and then after some time you realize that we actually need CloudLinux, and then you plan to install CloudLinux, I would suggest to purchase a new server and set up and migrate everything there. Okay, because a lot of cases I've seen, if you're not going to use the official CloudLinux, it will end up just basically it will end up making issues for your kernel. So yeah, I would recommend to not install CloudLinux on a production server. Okay, this purchase a new one, but treat us in prior if you wish. Okay, or another option you have to say is some backup in jet backup or other thing like stuff like that, and then you can try that. Now coming to the part, you're going to face this first issue, CloudLinux. Second issue will be CloudLinux will not be installed unless you try anything on your internet. If you face this issue, okay, contact us. I'm trying to help you. And another issue that you are going to face
100% that you have to face that after reboot it will not be up. I've already told you the reason why the server will not be up after the reboot, because there will be networking issue. And most of the cases, if you do not have the good knowledge of the server, you're not going to face this one, and maybe a lot of issue will happen. Okay, so yeah, the next thing what we're going to do, the next issue you will face, if the server is rebooted in your server, you're going to see error that please reboot the server to just access the CloudLinux. Okay, or 100% I face this issue a lot, and you can face this issue a lot. Okay, so basically you can't fix that only on, because it will be it will take a lot of time. So yeah,
you can see the server is now rerouted. I just fixed a few things, and yeah, this thing is up right now. And you just need to search here for CloudLinux. Now another issue I've told you a lot of time. I don't know, in the video I've told you how much time you're going to face error which will basically ask you to just reboot the server, and you're rebooting multiple times, but the error is not going anywhere. Like the server continues saying you cannot basically asking you to reboot the server. That is some sort of debugging you need. Okay, I'm not going into the hardware, so you don't just give up. So yeah, so just contact us, we will try to help you. Now coming to the part of setup wizard, just need to click here on this button, start wizard, enable CF cage. Okay, sorry, this is important. I would say enable this, keep this all as it is. I'm just going for Node.js 18, 20, 22 and 24. Okay, and by default 22. And then Ruby, if you wish to install, I'm just going for the most common let me just install these versions here. All right, 2. I think 2.6 is good as well. You can install this based on your demand as well. Research what you need from your server, so install those all. Okay, I'm going to go for all of these, and then just going to 3.4 php config. Okay, and select all, remove these all. I'm just going to set up this to here, then 7.0, then 7.1 to further on to continue, and then enable this. Okay, you can just see the settings that I've done, and then just click on this button here, finish and install. Okay, now coming to the part, you may be going to face a lot of issue in this installation. Let me just show you. Just go to this dashboard icon here. Sorry, it's installed. You can just see here, it's installing the stuff. I'm going to just revise the video. You can edit the video if you want, but I'm going to tell you what issues that you're going to face and how we can help you, how you can help yourself to face the issues. First of all, in the cPanel installation guide video, probably what are the most common issues that you're going to face. First of all, will be EA or network error. If you face this issue, okay, these issues are most common, and those are basically related to networking. Okay, second issue will be most commonly is obviously basically confirm networking or your server and related issue. Okay, so make sure to just check your support server provider, choose a good server and repeat about provider. Okay, secondly, with CloudLinux you got to face a few issues. First of all, you're not able to resolve the CloudLinux or the server or some random fees. Okay, most common reasons are the server will say the server provider, like basically configuration, if you purchase or replace the server will decline automatically. Okay, so happen. Secondly, the server will say that official license is not there, so for that you just need to run the server license command. It will give you guidance on how you can install. And the next issue if you're going to face with this installation will be display once you on them everything, and it will ask you to reboot. Okay, and you can see the recommendation, it says reboot. Okay, so it will give you this error that once you are on the screen right now here, it will just instead of giving you this setup wizard page, it will just show reboot your server to access the CloudLinux manager. You're going to face this issue. 100% out of people face this issue. On this installation I've done some enough settings, so we don't face the issues. Okay, I've done configuration, so we don't face this issue on the server. So I can provide those configuration or everything on free playlist at here. The reason is quite simple. First of all, there is no such installation guide or later, and second of all, one of the most common base is that free Linux community are not help to share a few things. Okay, and lastly, one of the most common issue is this is mostly configuration and installation issue. You can try vertical installation, it will be good. If you still face the issue, I would suggest to change your server, and if you still face the issue, then make sure to contact an expert, and I would say contact an expert at the first point, because an expert can help, because this is some basic configuration error. Okay, the next issue that you're going to face is CloudLinux. This stuff that we are installing right now, not just PHP, CFH, and all this stuff. This is not installed. Okay, some random. I can tell you some random errors to fix them. You just need to contact us and do try to upload. So basically, the stuff you have to do is all CloudLinux, and I'm just going to show you. Just always use it options. Really sorry. I'll go to the package tab. Okay, now make sure you update this package tab, and I'm just going to tell you if you're letting get your server automatically run. Once you install it, it's license and everything, you're almost wrong, because once you configure a server, they have some sort of limitation on the server that you must try to fix on your end. Okay, so if you don't understand those, just contact us. I will try personally myself to help you. You can contact me via the link in the description or link bio. Okay, and this is going to take a lot of time. The reason is this server is a bit slow. This is a VPS server. I'm doing a server installation for my client, and furthermore, the CloudLinux is basically installing, so it can take a lot of time. Okay, in general, if you are with Hetzner or a good server provider, this still will take almost 45 to 50 minutes or maybe an hour. Okay, this takes some time. Okay, because this is installing basically the core of the server, and then after we will just go for the light speed and everything, and those things are not going to take much time. Okay, you can just see here, these are the plugins we have installed. Okay, So yeah, this is how you set up CloudLinux on your server. And if you face an issue, you can just contact us, and make sure to check our plans at Hostred. Thank you so much for watching this video.